welcome back to another video. Today I was going to show you how to install Windows 11 for Mac M1 processor. Okay, so first you need to download all three links in the description. You need to download the UTM. You need to go here to enter to sign into your Microsoft account, to go with a Windows Insider. Okay, these are easy steps. And then you need to download the Spice, GUIS tools, and QEMUI, which are going to be in the link in the description. Then what you need to do is you need to tap here to move from here to the applications, the UTM. After that, you can open it up. We can create a new machine. I recommend to go with a virtualize because it's going to run the native CPU architecture. Windows, you need to go to here. You are going to get a VHDX file, which is going to be the Windows 11 Insider. Continue. Here we have it. It's going to create. Now we are going to add here even QEMUI or the Spice guest, so we can use internet. Okay, this is ready. Even like this is going to be ready, but because I'm a good YouTuber, I'm a good guy, I'm going to tell you how to install even Wi-Fi, because what the heck to do without Wi-Fi? Some don't tell that, by the way. I hope you really enjoy that. Here we have. So now you can go really just do that. Okay, even here I have done that. Let's tap start. Here you are going to see a bit different booting screen. You need to tap escape so you can change even the screen settings. Okay, I have done it. Here we have it, guys. Let's add the passcode. Here we have it. Now you can go full screen, you can go everything you like. There you are going to change even the screen size. And here we have Windows 11. Fully functional. You can use whatever you like, but I don't think that you can install games because it doesn't have that it doesn't have OpenCL. You can play old games, but for new games it's not recommended. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and to tap the ring bell icon. See you on the next video. Peace.